Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's no longer welcome to my YouTube channel, it's now welcome to our YouTube channel. I just want to say merci. Thank you for helping build this community. There's one special person I want to give a shout out to. Joy Nwamba. Please guys, I want you to look out for her video. That lady is amazing. God bless her. I'm not going to joke with her for nothing. She's a dream builder. She's a team builder. She helps you grow. So many more. In my frequent videos, I would also dedicate those videos to some other lovely people that I've met. But the first person I need to dedicate my video to is Joy. Guys, please go and check up her channel. She's a wonderful woman. She's an amazing woman. You don't want to miss the things she posts on her channel. Thank you for watching, and sit back and enjoy today's video. Today we'll be talking about how to remain and stay attractive to your man or your husband. That is what we're talking about today. I want to take out time to say a very big kudos to all the wives, the mothers, and the business women out there. If nobody have ever said this to you, I want to use this opportunity to say to you that you're a super duper woman. It is not easy to be a wife. It is not easy to be a mother. It is not easy to be a businesswoman. And it is not easy to be a wife, a mother, and a businesswoman. This is going to be a topic I'm going to talk about sometime in future. It is not easy to be these three things. You take care of your husband, you take care of your kids, you're attending to businesses, you're going to work. Men, women who are out there struggling and hustling, kudos to you guys. You're super duper women. Kudos. Let's have a real talk. A real talk. So as a wife, as a mother, as a businesswoman, good. But let me ask you this question. When last did you take yourself out? When last did you go shopping? Personal shopping for yourself? When last did you buy some set of clothes for yourself? When last did you buy some pairs of shoes for yourself? When last did you buy some lovely fragrance perfume for yourself? When last did you go to salon to make your hair? Even something like this. Have you been carrying something like this for weeks, for months? Are you guilty of that? You know, because we wear wigs. Wigs have made everything easy for us because we wear wigs. We don't even bother to go to the salon and change our hairdo. If you're guilty of that, then this video is for you. Sit back and listen to what I have to say to you today. Ask yourself this question. When last did I shave my armpits? When last did I shave my pelvic area? You know what I mean. When last did I shave there for my husband? When last did I spray perfume before I go to bed? Ask yourself this question. If you're guilty of this, if you have not been doing this, then this video is for you as well. Sit back and listen to what I have to say. Ladies, it is very important to up your game in your marriage as a woman. You can't just leave yourself like that and say, my husband will understand because I've been running up and about since morning trying to put the children together. That is why when you hugged me, I smell bad. Really? You have no excuse to smell bad. So ladies, you have to up your game by keeping yourself clean and smell good for your husband. One. When last did you wear sexy lingerie for your husband? A pink lingerie, a red lingerie, royal blue lingerie. When last did you wear something like that for your husband? You see? Braid your hair at least twice a month. To be a lady is very expensive, but you can be cheap expensive, you know. Yes, you can be cheap expensive. You can buy some perfume that are very good but not too expensive, if you know that you can always use. Body splash, we have cheap perfumes, you know, that can help you enhance your smell and all those things. We need to braid our hair twice at least a month. Some ladies will leave their hair for a long time to start smelling that. Even when you're standing next to another lady, she's looking at you like, what's smelling? You understand what I'm saying? So just imagine somebody beside you perceiving you, and somebody that you're sleeping on the same bed with. These things can get your husband very angry at you, but he might not tell you, but he'll be angry like, why does my wife smell like this? So you have to up your game. Wash your braided hair at least also twice a month. If you don't want to remove it and you just want to braid it, you can keep it clean. You can even take it to the salon for them to clean it with spirits. You know, we have spirits, medicated spirit, that they can use to clean the root of your hair, you know, just to keep it clean and going until you're ready to remove it, until you're ready to change it or something. Don't just leave it there because you don't have time to do them, and you just leave it there. It will smell, you understand? So these are one of the ways you can stay attractive to your men. Now, this is a secret I do in my marriage. When last do you wear bum shots all over the house? You know, walk around your husband, shake your bum and everything, give him side look, you know, use your body to talk to him and everything. When last did you do that? You know, those are the tips on how to stay attractive to your husband. Do some crazy thing for him. When last did you sit on your husband's lap and twerk for him? Sit on his lap, twerk for him when he's not expecting it. You know, sometimes if you're home alone, walk naked. Yes, I said it. Walk naked when you're home alone. Maybe the children has gone out to play, to school, and you are opportune to be at home together. Walk around him naked. Shake your bum for him. He will grab you. Another way to stay attractive to your husband is be yourself. Have that uniqueness. There's this uniqueness about you. Everybody is unique. There's this uniqueness. Don't stop it. Be your unique self. That thing that makes your husband smile when you're around, those nonsense, those little funny things you do that make you unique. Don't stop them. Keep being your unique self. It attracts men, knowing that you have this uniqueness. You're who you are. Don't change for nothing. He likes it like that. Keep being yourself. Men can get attracted by you being yourself. Sexiness is very important. Men like it when they are back from work, and the next thing is their wife is getting the door for them, and they are all looking all sexy up with a very sexy color, you know, and the man is like, this is new, right? It turns them on when you wear sexy, colorful lingerie when they are coming back home. You're getting the door for them, you're opening the door for them, but you're all looking sexy. They like it that way, you know. So up your game by looking sexy for him when he's coming back from work. He's looking tired, he's hungry, but the moment he sees you, you're smelling good, you're wearing a very sexy lingerie for him and all that, you're pecking him and all that. So these things can keep a man glued to you and attracted to you if you know how to work on him. You know that thing he likes, those things that turn him on. Do them. Don't just leave yourself because you have children, because you have to cook for him. You know, he's coming back from work, you're sweating because you're in the kitchen and all that, your hair is scattered everywhere. He's not even going to think about touching you because you don't look, you know, you're sweating all over. So try to always look good when he's coming back from work. You know, you're looking sexy and all that. Try as much as possible to up your game and do all those things. As he's coming back home, the first thing he's seeing is his sexy wife smelling good with neat hair. Just went to the salon to make your nails, and you know the color he likes. Let's say he likes red, you have a red nails. Let's say you like green, you have a green nails. Let's say you like white, you have a white nails. You know, once in a while, do all those things for him, those colors he like. You know, paint it, do makeup, do your hair. You don't even have to wear a very expensive hair to look sexy, if you know what I mean. If your husband comes back home every day and you're looking all sexy and ready for him, you know, you're smelling good, you're lying down in the bed, crossing your leg with your sexy lingerie with a glass of wine, your husband will always run back home. I bet you he will always run back home. When he's at work, the next thing he's thinking of, once he's clocking 5, the next thing he's thinking of is his sexy wife waiting for him at home. You've cooked that into his head. You know, you can work on him by doing all the sexy things for him. You know, the last thing we'll be talking about today is, why do you always wait for your man to make moves first? Like, you're always waiting for him to be the one to initiate sex. You're always waiting for him to be the one to... See, let me tell you, one of the ways you can be very attractive and keep your man glued to you is when you initiate sex. And guess what? When it's time for sex, don't just sit there. Don't just lie there and allow him do all the old work, if you know what I mean. Sit on him, ride him, if you know what I mean. That is the last thing you would do. But you know, before riding him, there are a lot of things you need to do before you get to that riding him, if you know what I mean. Ride him, you know. So guys, thank you. This has brought us to the end of today's episode. Hey guys, what are you waiting for? Did you just watch me and you've not subscribed? Come on! Do you want to miss the next video after all those tips I've given to you? Click that subscribe button right now. Click the subscribe button right now. And don't just click the subscribe button. Click the notification button. Click the like button. And guess what? Leave a comment below so I would know you just watched me. Thank you. And please watch out for my next video and support me. Thank you. And God bless you. Bye.